Today, you're going to learn about the different QuickBooks Online subscription plans so you can choose the one that best fits your business needs. On the screen, you'll see 4 main plans: Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced, each offering different tools to help you manage your bookkeeping more efficiently. At the top, QuickBooks highlights an introductory promotion, 50% off for the first 3 months, along with a free 30-day trial for new users. You'll also notice that Live Expert Assisted Bookkeeping is available for free during the first 30 days, which is a great bonus if you want extra support getting started. Now let's walk through each plan. The first option is Simple Start, priced at $19 per month after the discount. This plan includes access for 1 user and your accountant. It's ideal for small businesses that need essential bookkeeping capabilities like automated expense organization, invoicing and payments, bank feeds, onboarding support, and automated bill pay. It also includes Intuit Assist, which helps review and categorize your transactions to boost efficiency. Next is the Essentials plan at $37.50 per month. This tier supports 3 users and includes everything in Simple Start, plus helpful tools such as the accounting agent, which posts transactions with clear explanations and predictions. You'll also get the payments agent to help speed up incoming payments and support for multiple currencies, perfect for businesses working internationally. The Plus plan, highlighted as the customer favorite, comes in at $57.50 per month and supports 5 users. It includes all Essentials features along with AI-powered reconciliation, customer follow-up automation, budgeting, anomaly detection, and detailed profit and loss insights. If you need deeper reporting and more control, this plan delivers strong value. Finally, the Advanced plan supports up to 25 users at $137.50 per month. It adds powerful features like finance insights, project management tools, custom user permissions, advanced reporting, Excel syncing, forecasting, and backup and restore functions, ideal for growing or complex businesses. Each plan includes Intuit Assist to help automate tasks, streamline payments, and simplify your financial workflow. When you're ready, just click Choose Plan and get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.